Hey YouTubers, more Rob Moffat. Guys, last week I made a pie. I made a pie with chickpea and tofu and lemon. It was a lemon tofu chickpea pie. I kind of liked it. It was an experiment. I got the initial recipe from the manufacturer of this shelf-stable tofu, and I added a bunch of different ingredients because I like to experiment. And after I did, I thought to myself, maybe I could do the same thing, make a chocolate pie with some experimentation. So this is what I did, and it turned out better than expected. This is a chocolate chickpea pie. I use the shelf-stable, firm tofu, but I don't see any reason you can't use the refrigerated tofu, firm or soft. I used a cup of dried chickpeas after they were cooked, 4 ounces of vanilla milk, soy milk, a packet of, which is unnecessary, a packet of chocolate drink, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, the graham cracker crust, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil and the packet of chocolate drink mix I don't think were necessary. Next time I won't use them. But here's the key. When I made that pie last week, I added the cornstarch, but I didn't cook it because the recipe that they made their lemon pie didn't cook it either. But when I added my ingredients, it was very wet, and it was too wet. So what I did is, as I cooked as I blend everything, and my new favorite kitchen gadget, my Hamilton Beach miniature food processor, this was like 20 bucks. It's been really handy to make so many different things. But after I would blend the tofu, I'd put it in here, and I'd blend the other ingredients, put it in here. I put this in a microwave for 4 minutes, and then stirred it up in another 4 minutes, and it became very thick. And then I added that to the pie, and this is what it turned out to be. The flavor has a very nice chocolate taste because it was blended in the food processor for a long time. There isn't any graininess from the chickpeas. There is no chickpea taste or soy taste because of the chocolate and the sugar, etc. It has a texture of a firm pumpkin pie, which is one of the pies I'm going to make next with chickpea, is a pumpkin pie, chickpea pie. The reason I'm using chickpeas is because they have a huge amount of protein. Along with the soy, you're getting like 10, 11, 12 grams of protein in each slice of pie. And as we get older, we don't process food as much as we used to when we were younger, so we need more protein. So don't add the drink mix. Just add the cocoa and the sugar to your liking and mix it up. Put it in this. This is something I got to cook macaroni and cheese in the microwave from Walmart. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. And I really love these little Hamilton Beach miniature food processors. I'm sure other manufacturers make their own too, but this was inexpensive. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I think this is a wonderful addition to someone who doesn't have a lot of money, to where they can make their own food and process it and make a lot of inexpensive meals with experimentation. So I don't know if I can continue to make pie videos and continue to have very healthy diet, but I'm hoping that the extra tofu and the chickpeas and the cocoa are offsetting the sugar. Oh yeah, that's delicious. So I'll be trying a banana and a pumpkin soon. Also, in the past, I have made a savory pie with fish, with cheese and milk and flour. I'm thinking I can use chickpeas and fish and make a savory fish pie. So we have a lot of pie videos coming up. I don't know how popular they are, but somebody has to eat pie. I mean, somebody has to do it. So I guess I'll sacrifice. I'll burden myself with eating all this pie. I'll do it. I'll do it for the team. Okay. Any questions? Leave them in the The question area? The question, I've been doing this 16 years. Leave them in the question area. I don't know what that's called down there. All right, guys, hope you're having fun. Go make you some pie. All right, take care. See you out there.